Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account in just a few easy steps. Whether taking a break or you want to remove your account for good, I'll guide you through both options. Make sure to watch the video until the very end so you don't miss anything. So let's get started. So how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account? This option lets you hide your profile, posts, and followers until you log back in. 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the three lines menu at the top right. Then select the Settings and Privacy and tap Account Center. Then, select the personal details and tap the account ownership and control. Choose the activation or deletion. Then, select Instagram account you want to deactivate. Tap Deactivate account. Click Continue. Enter your password and choose the reason for the activation. And finally, tap Deactivate account. Your account is now hidden and you can reactivate it anytime by logging back in. And how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Warning, this will delete everything, your photos, followers, messages, and more permanently. Follow the same steps from 1 to 7 above. Select the delete account instead of deactivation. Tap continue and enter your password. Select a reason for deleting your account. Tap delete account and confirm. The Instagram gives you a 30 days to change your mind before the account is permanently erased. And that's it. Now you know how to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.